Right, hello folks, so yep, it's Metalman873 and you can see me in my iPad. Ooh, hello. Ooh. I could be an octopus before I know, and an octopus on chilies before I know. I'm joking. Anyway, I've got an Ancestry tutorial for you folks, so yeah, but anyway, in the last video, I showed you create so in this video, I'm just going to basically show you this time how to add relatives and also show the views of the tree. So yeah, but anyway, if you can see this little section of menus on here, this can be so basically, if you're zooming in on your family tree, you've got if you wanted to have a close-up view of the tree, you can zoom in, zoom out with these buttons on here. Then basically, and also there's two different views of the tree which you can do actually. There's this view, a pedigree view, which shows the name of the home person involved in the tree. The person which all the ancestors will be related to, descended actually. And father's side will end up here, mom's side, and go all the way back to great-great-grandparents. And also there's a family view which just tap this. Here we go. Just tap this. So it'll end up like this. And basically in this view, which is good, you can have it goes up to great-grandparents, so you can have your fathers and mothers, grandparents, great-grandparents, and also favourite aunties and uncles, contestants for the sack race, probably, with curry and mashed potatoes in there, basically. In a hurricane, with chili skull challenges, and so on. I'm joking with that last bit anyway. So basically it has mothers and fathers, grandparents, great-grandparents, and you can even put aunties and uncles and cousins on to view in this view. So anyway, if you want to add a relative, you add a relative, descended or cross. So for this example, I'm just going to add on here mother, and this little menu comes up again, which put in the first and middle name of the person, maiden name. Well, it's a female person I'm doing, so I'm going to make up a name for this person. So I'm just going to call Paul Ray Jr.'s mother, for example, Emily, and then call her Emily Haverton. And I'm going to make up a date of birth. I'll say she was born in 1949. Anyway, again, this is not really a real tree. Just as a reminder, I've just put this together just for the purposes of this video, just to show how to do things. So yeah. Anyway, that'll add, and then basically I've got a mother's side on here, and then so yep, and yeah, I just want to quickly show you folks as well the deceased options. If you tap on deceased, you can put a death date when they died, and also a death place on here as well. So yeah, and also even if you wanted to select somebody which you've already got inside your family tree to add on here, or if there's a gap missing, or if it's added twice, you just tap this. Tap select someone in your tree, and then type in the name, and then press save. So yeah, right. Anyway, folks, that's it. So anyway, hope you've all really enjoyed this in this video. So yeah, well anyway, tutorial number 3 coming up, and my 599th video coincidentally. So yep, and then it'll be my 600th video next on the afterwards. So yeah, well anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in a moment.